What's up guys, it's the Hot and Fuzzy again. We have a really cool video for you here today. This is something I've seen done a few times but never tried myself. We're actually doing a painting today, but we're not painting with a brush, we're actually painting with my Remington 870 12 gauge shotgun. We have a bit of a drawing over there on a poster board. We're going to paint some stuff on it. I'm going to shoot some cans of paint. It's going to look really cool. I really don't know what color it's going to be because I didn't really check, but I'm sure that it's going to be obnoxious, so let's get started. If you guys want to check this painting out, it's for sale on my channel. Just look on my channel and you can follow it on Facebook. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff really helps me out. And have a good day.